I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. The Scotts Miracle-Gro Company reported that company-wide sales increased 105% to a record $748.6 million in its fiscal first quarter. This was primarily driven by strong retail support in the U.S. consumer segment, as well as momentum in Hawthorne, the company's indoor growing subsidiary. Now that is the real shining star. Hawthorne, whose sales increased 71% to $309.4 million, says it was driven by strong demand in all categories of indoor growing equipment and supplies. They also raised their guidance to 20 to 30% from a previous range of 15 to 20% increase in sales. Jazz Pharmaceuticals is buying GW Pharmaceuticals in a big deal valued at $7.2 billion. Jazz is a global biopharmaceutical company whose focus is in neuroscience, including sleep and movement disorders, and in oncology, including hematologic malignancies and solid tumors. Now, everybody knows GW Pharmaceuticals for its epilepsy drug Epidiolex, which is derived from cannabinoids. But the company also has a deep pipeline of other cannabinoid product candidates. That stock jumped over 46% on the news. Iantha stock popped over 57% this week after the company said it was able to close on an $11 million bridge financing. The company has had several decisions turn in its favor lately. The Monmouth County Superior Court decided to allow the company to continue construction at its Pleasantville, New Jersey facility despite having an ongoing legal battle with MPX New Jersey. And it seemed a month doesn't go by without GrowGen making another acquisition. They started out February buying Grow Depot, a two-store chain in Auburn and Augusta, Maine. This acquisition brings the total number of GrowGen hydroponic garden centers in Maine to 5. Power REIT has acquired a facility that is located in Riverside County, California, through a wholly owned subsidiary for $7.6 million. The property is leased to the luxury cannabis brand Candescent, which has over 50% store penetration in California. Spring Big announced its decision to buy Budtender. Budtender is a platform for customers, and Spring Big says it's going to increase their market share to over 1,900 retail partners. And with many consumers putting down the bottle for Sober January, it turns out they were buying cannabis-infused beverages instead. Several cannabis beverage companies reported increased sales in January, and some even better than the holiday. And that's it for this week. I'm Deborah Borchardt with the Green Market Report.